UMLA ka Jirang uba asostnes soatun ubadeiru Umtyrnga ka sorkar jilla menta ka sngi ka khat khandai terik unai lor ulalet ban Plie pai ba no Iaka Umtyrnga Health and Wellness Center ka balatei hapo ka Shillong Umtyrnga ribhoi ka bade ka weini ki Shillong khapot haparing ka Meghalaya bat asan. Kani ko Umtyrnga Health and Wellness Center kan ajing mentoi ki pai ba jong ki arphau li ki Shillong ki badon hagathan Umtyrnga banyo ek jaka sumar ka babiang na kabenta ki pai ba jong ni kathan. Yagini ka sub center latei ka jinglot ka balakot cha ka san pusan laktingka ha ka balashna bat penwandur janai bha da ka Umtyrnga Village Health Council VHC. Hakini ka sngi na lor UMLA ka Jirang uba sostene sotun ubadeiru Umtyrnga ka sorkar jilla la sakhiru da ka jingedon lang Abilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi Dr. Ajis Imle District Health Surveillance Haribhoi uba Meghalaya marbanyang rang ba Shillong ko Umtyrnga ki wei ki nong trei ka kwat ka khia bat kiri rang ba jong ka tekathan. Haba keren na kani kasngi uba sostene sotun mula kerpa di ki nong trei ki ban sa trei hapo kani ka sub center bakidei ban trei bha bat umde ban mi ka nungunu ka jing sha kan tho halor ka jing torti ka rukom trei kam ha Umtyrnga sub center kena bakate ka sub center kan dalong shisha ka ban ajing mentoi ki pai ba jong ka tekathan ka badei ru ka than ka badon khapot apding ka Meghalaya bat asam. Hagate ka sngi bala Plie ka teka sub center la don ruk jing sumar ya barok ke jat jingpang ya ka balawan de ki brieu ka tanat ka kwat ka khia na ribhoi lembat na PA Sangma International Medical College.
Kata Plie kenika health center NEHU Umtyrnga for jing sukmen. We are here together Deputy Commissioner and then doctors from the health department and many other dignitaries. So as a sign of declaring that this health center here in Umtyrnga, it will be a full-fledged activities for the, especially like for the helping of the patients and those who are under this area. So I'll do the table cutting, and we are always grateful to God Almighty, and we are thankful to the government health department for the construction of the health and wellness center here. So it'll be a blessing for the people of our area.
MDC Jirang constituency. Dekat pa di Asia kan wadi workers cuma an yang spesial.
Lingba Health Department. We have all doctors present here, all the staff, nurses, staff of the health department. It is because of your hard work, doctors, the health department. It is because of your hard work. That's why the program happened today. We all gathered here because of the inaugural function of the Health and Wellness Center. I would like to thank each and everyone, especially right from the doctor in charge, the DMHO, all the doctors, the health department, and the Hands Foundation, who have a hand together in running this Health and Wellness Center. And I was informed that Hans Foundation, they are very equipped and many facilities will be getting. It is through this Health and Wellness Center.
ki pajba baro wanum do mensim kajing mentoy kan sawan na kebenta jongpi bat kunju na kebenta jongaru kayeng kajongi do kadon hang hejan ngaro ngasde way na ban yo sumar kadon kam hakno kadon por kadon kam na kebenta ki banikundu ikinos ki doktor hakinika health and wellness center tekanong kajing mentoy na kebenta jongi lang baro Teshim ya kenika Kabu, Sumar ya kenika Health and Wellness Center, bat ngikermenru ba Kalawai jong kenika area, Kalawai jong kenika sub center, jong kenika Health and Wellness Center, kan Shillong kajingger ku kaba onang la susu ban penbit penbiang lane ban upgrade ya ki facilities ki repair lagalong ba ki doctors lane ki dawai ki dashin lane ki testing machines katsalong ka jimentoy lagabenta jong pi baro ki pa nong nong pi ene ki stall baro kidon nagabenta kum kaway na ki programs ki ba ka health department kabu ringkat hagan igasngi kabalong ka jimentoy na kabanta jong pi ka MHS and PM JY scheme kanika Aadhaar enrollment kaba pilai ringkat menta kiya simme kanika kabu nang ba kalong ka jimentoy na kabanta ka jong pi ibabun kilong yeng ibajupun yang Habkidon ha hospital kiong ba ngiduna bansiw yakane katay kabil bat ngajukuli ki hatu pilaju enroll em yelade pilaju don em yaktaka MHIS card bat kajubab kalong ba bunsin kilong ying kimdon yakane card ti kalong ka jindunong nagamta kilong ying kibamdon ni kenekakap ti kidon kilong ying ganong ipi kibadon kibabud renti kibakongu katum ka bha kaba kasolka kalabu iyo ya kijirap bat kalong kajimentoy nagabenta jong kibaro ti ki panong sunong baro hidupan sim ya kenekakabu apakah sorkar kapli kala kalenti nam tajolpi hidupan sim kene kabu kenal ba pila banyo ya kijing mentoy kene ke skim kumbala patai mene kadai lingba ka PM abhim NHM nagmtau snam arjar arhuai arpuar bakador kadai sanpusan lak sanpo hajar lek jingsna ka area kapakadon kalong kabi itanat kingsna kalong bai itanat ngasoban ay kejukble ya ka Umtyrnga VHC kabala simkia nak bentaban pendep ha kabidai bat kenika health and wellness center bat ha kejing sisha ki nakalian kilong penyat kilada ban pendep haswa jong ha Khubor basdang jong usnem henai kidangdon kejing pendep penbiang de nak tagadau kempat la ban Plie ya kenika health and wellness center bat mentang sengi ilayo banyak sakilang akabidai bat kajing Plie ya kenika health and wellness center bat ngiken menskam ba kipat ba baro kinyo ya kajing mentoy nak bawan ban yo ban yakendu ya ki staff nurse ban yakendu ya ki health workers kiberon hangne but ngakermen scam. I hope doctors also will
MLA MDC of Jirang constituency. Now we are going to cut this ribbon. So I request